hot shower after a long day, your favorite meal simmering on the stove, the driving force behind industry. Natural gas is all this and more. An invisible energy source and yet essential to our daily lives. But how does natural gas get to our homes? The history of natural gas dates back 20 million years. At a time when dinosaurs were long gone, organic material like algae and plankton sank to the ground and rock and soil were deposited on top. This exposed the organic layer to ever-increasing pressures and temperatures, triggering a chemical reaction that eventually produced natural gas. The gas migrated towards the surface until it encountered impermeable layers where it collected, resulting in the natural gas deposits that we draw from today. In Europe, the benefits of natural gas were discovered very early on, but it is only since the 1960s that natural gas has been used on a large scale. Norway, in particular, has considerable natural gas reserves. Therefore, Austria has gas supply contracts with Norwegian gas producers. This natural gas is transported through an extensive pipeline network operated by many European network operators before it reaches our homes and businesses. In addition, OMV produces natural gas by itself. For example, around 5% of Austria's natural gas demand is met by OMV exploiting domestic natural gas deposits. OMV focuses on 3 core regions for oil and gas production: Norway in the north, Austria and Romania in Central and Eastern Europe, and the Middle East and North Africa in the south. It takes several years to find and develop new gas fields and connect them to the existing pipeline network. That is why we have relied for decades on an established natural gas production system and why the development of new fields must be planned well in advance. The invisible engine of our modern life has had a long journey and a fascinating history. But its present and future are even more exciting, because gas is not just natural gas. In the future, we will increasingly rely on sustainable energy and also use biomethane, synthetic methane, and hydrogen for a supply that starts with responsibility.